Wise money transfer tutorial, how to use Wise. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with using Wise. Now, what exactly is Wise and how can we transfer money using Wise? Well, if you are someone that is working globally, or if you want to send money globally, internationally, and you want a quick method, or even if you're doing domestic transfers and you want a secure method, then you can easily use Wise. Wise has availability of international currencies as well as some of the best conversion rates. You can save on international transfers in over 50 different currencies without any hidden account fees. It's trusted by millions, it's regulated, and it has 24/7 customer support. You can disappoint thieves, making sure that your money is always secure. So if you are someone that is looking for a tool that can help you in transferring money from anywhere to anywhere, you can see the list of countries that they are serving in. So you can basically send money at any time. Now, how can you get started with Wise? Well, first off, let's take a look at their pricing and their features. Starting off, you have the ability to create a multi-currency account, send money, send large amounts, receive, even create your own Wise card. So if you want a card that can be used internationally, you can create the Wise card. You're able to use ATMs with the Wise card. You can use Google and Apple Pay with the Wise card, and it can be a really easy way for you to use your money. Now, if I was to take a look at their final feature, which is interest, so you can give your money a boost where you can earn returns on USD, pounds, as well as euros by opening a Wise account and investing in a fund that holds government guaranteed assets. Start with a penny, cent, or dime, and you can spend it at any time, all while your money grows. Now, what about Wise pricing? Well, Wise has different pricing for different pricing ranges for different regions, and pricing isn't for account creation. It's not for just the basic features. Pricing is going to be impacting your transactional fees. So different regions might have slightly different pricing. Let's take a look at the pricing for the United States like this, and we're just going to confirm our changes. Now, if you're looking to send money, you will see the overall transactional fees, the Wise transfer fees, their fees, as well as the volume discount, the total included fees. So just like that, you will be able to see the conversions. Let's say that I am sending USD and I'm also sending in USD. So it would take around $10 for our wire transfer to happen. If you are connecting to an ACH bank account, you guys will see there's going to be a $53 fee, and then you have debit card, credit card, and balance. Now, let's get started with Wise. To get started, you can click on register to create your account on Wise if you do not have one already. But if you do already have a Wise account, all you have to do is simply log on. So when you're creating an account, you do have to complete some basic verification. This includes your verification on your identities because Wise does ensure high levels of security, so you do need to verify your identity. So I'm going to be logging on to my account, but you might want to create your account beforehand, simply because it's going to take around 24 hours for account verification to be completed. Usually that's like the maximum amount of time it can take. It can be quick as well. Now, I have a personal account, and you can even create a business account. When I click on my personal account, this is what my dashboard is going to look like. On the top right, I will see my basic account. So I will have my personal account information. Then on the right, I have my statements and reports, settings, as well as limits, language and appearance, and any referrals. You can find all of the details within this tab. Then under your home section, you will find your balance, how you can send, add money, and request payments, or you can even split a bill. You will see all of your money within these little sections. And then you have transaction history, as well as your transfer calculator and recent contacts. Below that, you can click on cards to view any of the cards that you have. Then you can click on transactions to view all of your transactions, and then payments. Within payments, this can include any scheduled transfers. You have direct debits, split bills, and payment requests. So you can set up a transfer to send at a later date, and you can schedule any type of payment in that form. This can often be for payroll and easy management of payroll. Below that, you have any recipients, And then below that, you have any of your account insights. So if you are looking to use Wise to transfer money, the first thing you might want to do is to add money. You're going to click on add money over here. And once you do that, you will see your amount, verification, and payment. So you can choose the amount of money that you want to add. I'm just going to reload this because of some technical issue. I can click on add money, and from here I can enter the amount I want to add. Let's say it's going to be 100 Canadian dollars. Then I can choose how I want to pay. So if I want to pay with direct debit, you guys can see I will have a 0.23% Canadian dollar fee. And then I have Interact e-transfers. Then I have debit cards, credit cards, as well as bill payments and domestic wire transfers. You will see the receiving time for all of these as well. So the receiving time is going to vary. And from all of these methods, direct debit has some of the lowest transactional fees. However, if I want really quick payments internationally, I can proceed with a credit card because your payments arrive within seconds. But credit cards have higher fees than debit cards, so I would use my debit card over my credit card. So you can just choose whatever payment method you want and then click on continue. After that, you're going to proceed with your payment and enter your payment information to be able to purchase or fund your Wise account. Once you have funded your Wise account, you can move towards the next step, which is going to be to transfer money with Wise. So to transfer money, you can click on send over here. Once you click on send, you're going to choose the amount. Let's say I want to send $20 and I will see what the recipient will get as well as the paying option. So if I want to pay with my debit card, when it should be arriving. So I want it to arrive today, send now instead. Then I will have my estimated fees and I'm going to click on the payment options. We have multiple different payment options. Wire transfers, international wires, credit cards, ACH bank accounts. So we can choose whichever platform that we want. And from here, we are just going to, let's say I just want to proceed with my debit card and I can click on add recipient and I can add my recipient information. Once I do that, I can review my entire transaction. So who I'm sending this to and how they would be receiving the money, like so. I can add the reason for the transfer. So let's say this is going to be sending money home to family and I can click on submit. Once I do that, I have my basic review of my overall transaction, and then I can proceed to the payment option. And just like that, you can send money using Wise. It's really that simple and that easy. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.